The Hyundai IONIQ 5, especially models from 2021-2024, has experienced issues with alarms going off unexpectedly due to the interior motion sensor, proximity antenna, and key fob. These components can trigger false alarms from environmental factors or software glitches. The primary fix is to ensure your IONIQ 5 has received the latest 2024-2025 over-the-air update, part of Recall NCSA number 23V8 and 10. This update recalibrates the body control module, proximity antenna, and interior motion sensor, significantly reducing false alarms. Update your car either through the Hyundai BlueLink app or at a dealership. If problems persist after the update, further troubleshooting steps are required. If the OTA update doesn't completely resolve the alarm issues, try resetting the system via the infotainment screen. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Alarm, and select Reset. Check the key fob battery and replace it if needed. Ensure the key fob isn't damaged or waterlogged. Avoid parking in areas with high electromagnetic interference or near power lines. If alarms continue, have a dealer diagnose the proximity antenna, interior motion sensor, and BCM. Hardware replacements may be necessary, potentially covered under warranty. Hyundai has extended warranty coverage for alarm-related repairs until 2027 for eligible vehicles.